Good evening, guys. Ken at Tortoise Capital Nightly Strategy Podcast for July 24th, 2024. Start with a few sniper trades of the day. This is Microsoft, 10 minutes. Yesterday's close. This is the magnitude of the gap. This is the OR10. That was a entry short on a breakdown below the OR10. It immediately reversed and got me for -1. The whole market was suffering. I waited, it broke down again. I took the same trade. Took the PSAR exit for 4R, so net 3. This is AI, the software company. Also 10-minute. Here's yesterday's close. Here's the gap down right here. Here's the OR10. I waited an extra bar because I had a couple other shorts on from the OR10, but I added the short there. Standard risk, 2R. This is SPY on the 3-minute. And I'm on the 3 minutes because of the magnitude of this gap. Very large gap. So I just put a risk box on it when it broke out below the OR3. Short with a dollar stop. And that's 2R right from the get-go. This is, I also managed that trade on a 10-minute. Again, that same gap down. Just treated this one as an OR10. So I get short here, and I'm using a dollar stop. PSAR exit, 3R. So follow price, trust the PSAR, standard work, same old message every night. This is the traders today. Hamad in DIA, this is on the 10 minutes. Gets an initial breakout, it fails quickly. He stops and reverses here. Nice exit for 1.6. And this one gives him a minus 0.6. So he nets 0.6. After the gap, there wasn't much volatility, so he's content to take what's there. This is EWW. He was able to get a fractional gain here, a fractional gain there, stays out of the chop, misses the Z3 break, but does get it here for a micro gain. So he grinds out 0.4. Pretty good for what was there. This is on EWZ, he's at plus 0.8. He gets the kind of quick micro loss, micro gain. We probably got a bad fill. We should be out here, got hit here. So there might have been a 0.2 difference in there. Quick scratch, and then picks it up on the Z on this collapsing dragon breakdown for 0.9. So he nets 0.8 on this. And this is a pretty good day. After the gap, there wasn't really that much volatility, but he's able to get what was there. This is Satya. So he's here on UDAO, which is the triple leveraged DIA. There's the gap. Oops, let me get the better color. There's the gap. He plays the breakdown of the OR3. Perfect exit for 1.6. Let's see, what is he? Oh, a 3.8, I should say. He stops and reverses here and gets 1.6 on a 1, 2, 3 entry. Scratches, micro loss, and misses this one, but nets 4.8 in the first 30 minutes. So that's pretty good shooting. All right, I'll get the daily reports back out to you here shortly. Bottom line is today was a big collapse in all the big techs. Microsoft got smashed, Tesla got smashed, Nvidia got smashed. Nobody's happy, and there's no signs of strength. So I'm looking for momentum follow through to the downside tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be I believe, a directional volatile day just because of the magnitude of today's move. So let's be ready for a trader's delight tomorrow for intraday trading. Take good care, and we will catch you tomorrow.